Switzerland, the land of chocolate and cheese, is more than what it initially appears to be. Join us today as we begin an enchanting journey through the Swiss Confederation, unveiling the fascinating, the quirky, and the downright extraordinary. We begin our journey in Switzerland, which may surprise you as the holder of the most Nobel Prizes in the field of physics. This tells the story of the country's dedication to scientific exploration, and this interesting fact indeed portrays the Swiss spirit of discovery. Our journey takes us into the realm of gastronomy. Swiss cheese, known for its unique holes, has always piqued culinary interest. Have you wondered that these holes are actually formed by bacteria releasing gas during the fermentation process? It might seem strange, but this fact is sure to bring a fresh perspective to your next cheese tasting. Switzerland, a country less than twice the size of New Jersey, boasts a railway network that stretches over 3,000 kilometers. That's longer than the entire west coast of the United States. A testament to precision and efficiency, the trains are famously punctual, with an average delay of less than 1 minute. Delving into Switzerland, a country that has been synonymous with banking for centuries. But here's a fun fact. There are more than 200 banks in Switzerland, but only 2 bank holidays. That's dedication. Let's dive into the unique way the Swiss celebrate the passage of time. Not just once, but 4 times in a single year, they mark the turning of the year. New Year begins on the 1st of January, followed by the close of Carnival in February, then the completion of the financial year in April, and the cycle concludes with Swiss National Day on the 1st of August. This truly a nation that knows how to celebrate. The conclusion of our journey brings us to the sphere of athletics. The International Olympic Committee is nestled in a nation that ironically has never had the chance to host the Summer Olympics. This is one of the few countries with this distinction, a surprising fact, given its substantial contribution to global sports. Our Swiss adventure is drawing to a close. Let's reflect on the mesmerizing moments. From a country that has given us numerous Nobel laureates and a society of cheese gourmands, to a nation boasting an expansive railway system and a robust banking. This is a place that rings in the new year 4 times, and is home to the Olympic Committee, yet has never hosted the Summer Olympics. Switzerland, your surprises have truly captivated us, and we look forward to unveiling more of your mysteries in the future. Until we embark on our next voyage, Auf Wiedersehen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, All About Learning, for more fascinating journeys around the world.